If you need to add an image to a SurveyMonkey survey, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a simple process, but knowing where to click saves you time and helps you build better looking surveys with visuals that support your questions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open the survey you want to edit. Once you're inside your account, click on the survey you want to work on so you can open the editor. After that, scroll to the part of the survey where you want to add the image. This is important because SurveyMonkey lets you insert content at specific points, so choose the exact spot before you continue. Next, click the plus icon to add new content. This opens the menu of available options, and from there, choose text. SurveyMonkey uses a text block as the area where you can place and manage your image. Once the text option opens, look for the image icon and click it. This will bring up the image upload or insert options. Now click Browse for an image. At this point, you can select the image file you want to add from your computer or device. Choose the file carefully so it fits the question or section of your survey. After selecting the image, click OK to confirm your choice. SurveyMonkey will then insert the image into the survey content block. Make sure the image appears the way you want it to, and if everything looks good, click Save to store your changes. Saving is the final step, and it ensures your image is added properly to the survey. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to SurveyMonkey. It's a fast process once you know the steps, and now you can use images to make your surveys clearer, more engaging, and more professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.